Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I build this Paver walkway. If you want to see how I do so, keep on watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet and it's your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and do so, and also make sure you hit that notification bell. It will help my channel out so much. Please and thank you. So here we go. I am over there with a little hammer and I'm picking up those paver blocks from the walkway. This originally used to be like a boardwalk walkway, got rotten down and everything, and my cousin, I'm helping her to do this. She had to, dug it all up, and here I am over there helping her. That's her feet there, even though I told her not to walk on the dirt because it's clay dirt. She did. She put her little paver blocks down and she didn't walk on the dirt. I said walk on the grass. She didn't walk on the dirt, and now the dirt is like clay dirt. You see how it looks like those are little rocks right there? They're not. They're dirt that got wet and the rain and everything, and it's like stone. You could mash up somebody's head with that. Bust up somebody's head. You could break somebody's skull with that. But anyways, yeah. So here I am moving, and we're taking all of that out. Once I'm done taking out all of those paver blocks that she put down there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using a pickaxe and a pointed mouth shovel along with a rake, and I'm going to be trying to rough up the surface. We're going to try to dig a little bit down. Here we go with that rake. We're trying to see if we could level. Guys, this was no joke to try to level this because, like I said, clay dirt, that rake wasn't cutting it. So here we go, one for our pickaxe, and we're going to start digging, see if we could just rough that up a little bit. Okay. Now guys, if you ever chose to use a pickaxe or use any of these type of tool that I'm using here to try to do your walkway, just be careful. Be careful. Also, I don't want nobody come tell me, oh, you have a pickaxe and you have short pants on. It's my leg. Let me pickaxe my leg. I'm being careful. There we go. I'm not going to burst. Like, you see how I'm digging to the side? I'm not digging towards my feet real, but to the side. But you know what I'm saying? I have my gloves on. I got some shoes on. They're not sneakers, but they're shoes, okay? So that's what I'm doing there. So you may be wondering, what's the purpose of digging this up if you're not a contractor or a landscaping person? Because I'm not a contractor or a landscape person. I'm just somebody who likes to help and likes to do stuff myself. Because when you ask people, they take forever. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't have the money to pay for it, I like to try it out myself. Okay, anyways. So why I'm doing all this? Because again, the dirt got walked on and it rained. It's like clay, like a road. It's like a rock. So all I'm doing here, we're just trying to level out this surface. So that's what I'm doing, and that was the purpose and the reason for using the pickaxe to dig this all up. And there goes my cousin, her feet. She's like a supervisor. So so far this is what it looks like after I somewhat, try to level it out. And this is what it looks like. Again, look at those dirt. It looks like rock. That's what I got, all that stuff. So we then pick up those, pour it in the wheelbarrow, and then we just throw it in the backyard. So once I'm done with all of that and we dug that all up, there we go, down the bottom there, I'm throwing it in the wheelbarrow. I'm just using a shovel to do so. Damn, this camera was far away. I didn't even know it was that far away, but I didn't want to expose the next door neighbor's house. I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing, not the neighbor's house. So once I'm done doing all of that, here we go. I'm still over here raking. It got hot. It was a rainy and cloudy day on this day when we did it. It got hot, took my sweater off, but here we go. We're just trying to level it out. That's all I'm doing. Trying to level it as much as I can. So now we're back from Home Depot, and we're gonna start using that tamper and tamp stuff down. So I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we went up to Lowe's and the Home Depot, and we got some paver base. We got paver base 1 and paver base 2. Again, all the items that I'm using will be in the description box below. We got our edging, we got a tamper that we rented, and we have some wheat fabric. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start out by cutting off and open up the edging, the garden edging, and that's all I'm doing there. I'm just trying to get that unravel. Once I do so, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to get it down into the dirt. Okay, and only if you want to know what a pain in the butt this was to unravel it, I mean, it was a pain in the butt. But if any of you watching this video have any suggestion in how I should have unraveled this or unreeled this, please go ahead and type me a comment in the comment section. I would love to hear your opinion. Okay, now I've used these before, and I've done so on a hot day, because I know if you put it in the sun and unroll it and leave it in the sun, it will get straightened out. But like I said before, it was a cloudy and a rainy day. Okay, all right, so here we go. That can be a full pain in the ass to get that on wheel, especially it's cloudy out. The sun, when the sun hit it, it's better. So we're gonna work on that and come back with you, okay? So now we're back. I somewhat got it on roll. I'm gonna use my pickaxe and I'm gonna dig down a little deeper on the side part of what I just somewhat leveled out. We're just gonna dig that in a little deeper. Now, and the reason why I'm digging that down, I don't know, am I saying it right? Dug is the past and whatever. But the reason why I'm using my pickaxe to dig down a little bit deeper is so we could get that edging in down, so it sits between the dirt. It's not like on top. We need something to hold it, so we're going to dig that down, and then we're going to put the edging in there, and then we're going to use the dirt that we just dig out in the tamper and tamp that in place to hold the edging. Okay. So as you guys can see, it's probably hard to see as my back is kind of somewhat in the way. I'm trying to get that down into where I just dug out, and it's like, you know, it's kind of like, I don't know, I'm not a contractor or landscaper, but so every time I got one side down, the other side come up. Look at my cousin, she's so helpful, huh? She's like the supervisor. She's so helpful. She just stand there, no help. Look at her. Anyway, I ain't gonna throw her under the bus like that. I like her, I love her, so I told her I was gonna come on up, but she older too, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so here you go. We're using a tamper, and we're gonna tamp that in, and we're trying to go as fast as we can before the rain comes. You know what I'm saying? So far, this is what both sides look like. I did that part off camera. We got both sides, and now we got some help coming in. And here we go. That's the weed fabric again. That's gonna be in the description box below as well. So I'm trying to ravel out or unroll the wheat. Ravel out. That's Jamaica. Again, if you're first time here, you don't know where I'm from. I'm from Jamaica, so that's why I'm saying reel out. Reel out mean we're gonna unroll. So if you want to learn something in Jamaican, reel out mean unroll. So here we go. My cousin has some visitor, and they're out there helping me out. So the guys are there and they're holding it down, and we're just trying to get that fabric down. But it was nice to get some two extra hand as the rain was coming and stuff, so trying to get past real quick. So that's what it looks like after we put all the weed fabric down. So then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start pouring out the paver base one. So that's what we're doing down there. Again, the camera is not really doing it justice, but what we're doing is putting down paver base one right there. So this is what it looks like after we have our paver base one down. So now we're going to add, and we're just pouring some crushed stone in, because we ran out of paver base, but we needed more stone to level this off, because originally I had planned on using back some of the dirt to level this off back, but because the dirt was like a rock, we couldn't. So here we go, we're using a rake and we're just trying to shove it down, trying to get it level off. And I'm gonna go ahead once I feel like I somewhat got it level, because I'm just eyeballing this. So if you're gonna ask me where's my level is in my eyes. We're eyeballing it. Okay, so but if you want to go ahead and use a level, then go for it. So we're eyeballing it. We're trying to move as fast as we can. Like I said, the rain is coming, and once we somewhat feel like I got that leveled out, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get the tamper. We're gonna tamp that down. Once we're done with the tamper and tamping it down, we're gonna go ahead and now here we go, we're putting on paver base number 2. And here we go, the guys are helping me out. Like I said, I was so grateful and happy that they came by, because the extra set of hand took me a far way, or helped me finish real quick, as again it was about to rain. It did rain, so that's why I'm going to be missing some footage, because then I took up my camera and all that stuff while I was finishing. So once we put down paver base 2, that's what you're looking at. We then line out the paver blocks. Now again, these paver blocks are from Home Depot. Again, so you could go anywhere to buy your paver blocks. You could go to Home Depot, you could go to Lowe's. We bought ours at Home Depot. So that's what it looks like once we got everything fit in. And then After this, we got everything fitted. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be putting some stone in between. So here we go. We're putting like the white stones. We got that again at Home Depot and Lowe's. We're putting those stone in between the bricks, and we're going to start using our broom and stuff, and that's what it looks like as we go along. And then we put those crushed marble stone on top. So if you notice, guys, right at these 2 points at the curve, there is nothing there. We needed to grind down or cut down a few of these stones so they could paver blocks so they could fit in nicely. I left it just like that, and the next day we had someone come and help us out with a grinder and grind those 2 pieces of paver block down so they could fit in nicely. Now I didn't go back after all of that, so this is what I have here for footage for the finished product. But my cousin did send me a video of what it looks like once they were she got those 2 pieces of stone or paver block grind down and place in the corner. Look at that. I think it's absolutely beautiful. At the end of the day, I did that, we did that, whoever did that, so you know it doesn't matter how it looks. It's very inviting, it looks nice, and this is my cousin video in the video and sent it to me. It's not like me going over there and doing it myself. So she sent that part to me for the finished product. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, at the end of the day, we did it. That's our strength. We did it. It looks nice. You could always try and do stuff by yourself, or you could choose to pay professional. But anyways, I know I talk too much, and if you had made it this far through this video and you like what you see here, why don't you go ahead and just hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, also give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, this way they won't miss out. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.